A little bit.
It's been a little minute.
Hey, y'all.
What's popping?
So, we looking jank this morning.
As always.
But
I ain't like it's something new. This is it.
We'll look this bad. But today we are taking our first set of maternity pictures in the cold.
Ooh.
But
We've been trying to take them for 2 weeks. But it's been raining.
It's been raining. It's been cold. At first it was warm. It was like, oh, it's going to be warm. And then next thing you know, it was freezing the next day. So we just going to have to tough it out because our baby shower's coming up. We need some pictures.
Facts.
So we looking rough right now, but we about to get dressed. We about to do our makeup. No.
Do a little razzle dazzle.
Right. And then
Boom.
and then we gonna come back looking a little, a little better than we did. A lot better than we do.
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm gonna be fire. Fire, you hear me?
Yeah, we got some cute outfits. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all. We back. We finally dressed 6 hours later. Look, our photographer showed up
on time.
And this our first, little outfit or whatever.
You see me. You see me.
I'm in the pictures too, but I just ain't got my outfit on yet. I'm gonna put my outfit on later.
So we're about to go ahead and get started. Y'all gonna be able to see a little bit behind the scenes of everything, and then I probably won't post the final pictures on this video because they probably won't be edited. But y'all be able to see behind the scenes. So
y'all see my booty?
Come on, baby mama. I was just so y'all have like a first picture type of thing.
Get to him, Trout.
I don't know what I'd do without you. Never had a reason to doubt you. Every little thing you do makes me fall more in love with you. L-O-V-E-K-I-M-E, anything that you and me make.
All right, YouTube. That's a wrap.
It's a scratch. I'm sick of taking pictures. You hear me?
Yeah. So y'all see all the inside pictures, but we also took a lot outside, but it was so cold.
So cold, and we was barely clothed. So
we couldn't have the camera like, but we was like,
the wind was out of control too, so it was kind of
Yeah.
hard to record. You wouldn't have been able to hear anything. So we wanted to try to get in, get out as quick as possible.
Yeah. But if y'all follow us on Instagram, y'all will definitely, or TikTok, then y'all definitely see some of the pictures from outside, and then y'all saw the ones that we took in here. Our first baby shower is this weekend, January 16th. We're super excited.
Yeah.
A few people have asked for the registry, and so I've definitely linked our Amazon and Target registry down below. We want to thank Charlotte for sending.
Shouts out to your mama. We got
Kash.
it. We didn't forget. I had commented back and told you that we got it, and we really, really appreciate you.
Yes, we definitely appreciate it. If anybody, a couple people have asked to send us something. So if you would like to, then please click the link down below. We are also doing a giveaway for our second baby shower. So if you click on our Amazon registry, there is a diaper fund. So if you donate any amount to the diaper fund, matter if it's $1, $5, $2, it doesn't matter. Anything enters you into the raffle, basically, giveaway. So that means that you will get your own personal Zoom link to attend our January 29th baby shower. So keep that in mind. So if you want to attend, or if you want to be in that little, I guess it's more of a raffle, not a gift. Is it? I don't know. But then click on the Amazon link, and it tells us your name, and then we'll let y'all know who the winner is on the 20th. So you have until the 20th, right? Okay. But yes, so we will see y'all on the next one. We're going to show y'all what the things that we've already got for baby Kash.
Oh,
Yes.
I'm getting excited. It's getting so close.
I know. Before the baby shower and then after the baby shower. And we want to, shout out our photographer.
Shout out photographer.
If y'all been rocking with us, then y'all know that she was our engagement photo photographer.
Girl, all of that.
And now she's doing maternity pictures.
Yeah.
I do it all. babysit, do hair, all at the
Whatever.
same house.
Whatever. That's our girl.
Right.
That's some of y'all girl too. Y'all be asking about her.
Yeah, where my friends at?
Yeah.
We ready for baby Kash?
Kiki ready for baby Kash.
I am.
That's all she talk about. She be like, where my baby
I'm like right here, kicking my organs around. But thank y'all again for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. Comment down below. Let us know.
at? Make sure you got the post notifications on so you know the next time that we post.
Hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already done that.
Let's go. Peace.